Here we go. You want to stop? There we go. What about you? You want some? 2, 3. Don't fight! Stop fighting! 4. Come on, you guys. Who else wants some? Don't grab the bowl. Come on. You guys can have some. You want some? Yeah. There you go. Don't you stop fighting. You're getting bossy, you are. You're bossy. What's the story? Stop fighting with everyone. Be nice. Plenty for everybody. Stop it. Here we go. Here we go. Oi! Don't you bite me. Here, darling. You're waiting patiently. Let me have some. Okay, guys. Where's that naughty birdie? Don't grab the bowl. Yeah. Stop fighting with everyone. I'm pretty aggressive. Alright, careful. Here you go. There you go. Come on, you. Oi, oi! What are you two fighting about all the time? You've got to learn to share. This one wants some now. Don't you bite me. You. Oi. Oi. Being so aggressive. Oi. Ow. Go on, have some. Go on, have some. Go on then. You had a big fight over it. Have some. Now, this guy's going to have some. He's cutie. You cutie. You have some. No. You have some. You guys have some. You are bossy. Over here, quick. That guy's naughty, hey? Naughty birdie. You, stop harassing me. Yeah, you. Hey? You want a bit? Don't bite everything. Oi! Stop that. Oh, you're so naughty. That's enough. There you go. You can have some. There we go. You can have some quick. Better get in before that grumpy one comes in. Mr. Bossy, here he comes. Quick. Quick. Oi, both of you. Go on then, you. Don't fight with everyone else. Here, darling, you have some now. Go on. No, you're not getting any. These guys are next. Don't grab the bowl. What are you doing? You get your foot off it. Come on. Oi. What the heck? You're grabbing the bowl off me. It's going to break. Get down here. Okay, my arm's getting sore. Let's swap arms. Oh, he's down that end. Quick, we'll go up this end. Grumpy's down that end. Come down here, guys. Don't grab the bowl. You'll make me drop it. Oi! Oi! Hey! Settle down. You make it. Get off it. It's too heavy. Right, down here now for these guys. Come on. Give Grumpy some. This guy's a bully, isn't he? He's smaller than you. How come he gets to bully you guys around? Hey? How does he manage to do that? Your turn. You wait your turn. Yes, you wait your turn. Here, sweetie. Yeah, nice one. Not bossy. Alright guys, I'm going to put it down. You have some. Don't fight. No fighting, please. Oi! You'll be banned from my balcony. You can't share? That's it, you can have some. You guys all going to get some over here? Or what? You want me to hold it again? Because this guy's chasing you away, is he? Here. Come on, you guys. There's enough for everyone. There you go. There we go. Have a bit. Gosh, you're a toughie, aren't you? You look like you've been through fire or something. You better not stand on the bowl, because if you bite my hand, I'm going to be really annoyed. Come on. I'm dragging you along with 1 foot. Are you crazy? I'm moving the bowl. Come on. Come on, you better get up. Oh my God. Really? Really? Hey, you're going to let me drop it. Seriously. Okay, quick guys, you better get some before he comes back.